Welcome to Simply Made Fancy. I'm Ruth Angelina, and these are my three boys, Blake, Dylan, and Logan. And today's Mother's Day, and I like to do something special on Mother's Day with my boys. So I got a little special gift for them for us to do together. Check it out. So here I am working on a DIY project for my boys while they're in bed for the night. I don't know about you guys, but for Mother's Day, I actually get my boys presents because I just love being a mom and I love spending time with them. So I always try to get something that we can use or play together and enjoy together. And one of the things that my boys and I enjoy is tea time. So I picked up this tea set at actually TJ Maxx, and I decided that we would play tea time during Mother's Day. That's what I really want to do, just spend time with my boys. But also, you can't have a tea party without like cookies or cake or things like that, and we didn't really have any of that play food. And I had this idea because I had a bunch of scraps of felt to make little cupcakes, and I went on Pinterest, of course, and I found some ideas. So this is what I came up with. This is super simple. This is my first prototype. I've never done this before, so I'm gonna show you how I did it. So what you'll need is a piece of styrofoam board, and what I did is that I drew some circles, like cupcake sizes, right on there, and I cut the styrofoam board in a little bit of an angle so it can give me like that cupcake angle. And then you get some filler, maybe a couple of little pom-poms to put on the top. I actually got these already pre-cut, but you can cut them themselves with felt and just, put them on the top. What do you need when you're gonna have tea time? You need tea. So I made little tea bags, and these are the most simplest things ever. All you'll need is some string and some felt again, and a little bit of the batting, and it's super simple to make. So let me get started on this. So this is the base of the cupcake. And then you're gonna take some of this batting and make sure that you use a low temp glue gun because a really hot one will melt the foam. And if you don't have a hot glue gun, you can use regular glue. So you're gonna take a little bit of the batting, the filler, and that's gonna give you like that poofy top. I'm going to make a vanilla cupcake with a pink cupcake holder. So it's super simple. Just cut a square. You can kind of figure out how much you'll need. Try to scrunch this up a little bit. You can put some glue to see if it can stay a little bit together. You have it like that. And then just hold it in place as you're gluing, and right on the edge of the cupcake you're going to, on one side, put some more glue on the other side, and make sure that you tuck it really tightly so it can get that poofiness without getting flat. So you're gonna want to do this all around. I didn't measure anything. I've just been eyeballing everything. All right, so this is pretty much it. You can cut some of the excess fabric. That's just hanging out. Now for the base, you're gonna take this fabric and just cut it on a little bit of an angle so you can get a strip of it. All right, so that sounds about right. Now I'm just going to cut a strip of it. And on the bottom, as you can see here, I also put some felt. On the bottom, you want to cover it up. So just a little circle. And I've been eyeballing everything. You don't really need to do. The only thing that I used kind of like a measurement was for the initial circle of the cupcake. And I just used circle form that I already had. And now for the sides, what I'm going to do is put some glue all around and then begin to add this part that would become the cupcake liner. See? And now you can just cut all the excess fabric again. All right, so now for the topper, just little glue. And again, you can get these, or you can just use some of your felt and cut it into like kind of like a little flower shape. I have like glue all over my hands. So for this one, I want to do blue. And there you have it. Isn't that super simple? It didn't take a long time to make, and the boys are gonna have these cute little cupcakes to play with their tea set. A bonus craft to go with my little tea party set is tea. So I'm making little tea bags, and these are so cute and super simple. So it's just a piece of felt, and I cut it into the shape of a tea bag, and then I added some string and another little piece of felt, and I just put a heart in it. So this is the piece of felt that I cut, and when you fold it, looks like the little tea bag. And all I did is just glue the sides, just the sides together. Don't put glue in the middle. So you can see the sides together. Take a tiny bit of the filler, just a tiny bit, and push it in there to give it a little bit of a poofiness to it, so it can feel like there's something in there, like there's actual tea in there. Okay, and then you're gonna take some yarn or string or whatever you have. I happen to have yarn. You're gonna put some glue inside. Put your yarn right in there. Close the top of the tea bag with some more glue. Okay, this is a little too big, so I'm just gonna cut it a little bit. So you have this part, and now just cut another little square. See, as you can see, I'm just eyeballing everything. No measurement. It doesn't even have to be perfect. And I kind of followed this pattern. Figure it out. Yep. Just about right. The same size. And put some more glue on it, like a little buck. Go. I got my marker here, and I'm gonna put a little heart on it. See? Little tea bag. Perfect. And so that's my little craft, and now my boys are ready to play tea time.
See, we like to play tea party. So we got a tea set so we can play together. So let's see what mommy has over here. Blake, can you open that? And Logan, can you open this?
Yeah.
Look what I made. Aren't these cute? They came out super cute. Do you guys like it?
Yeah.
now I'm inspired to make some more felt DIY projects for the boys. So now we're ready to play some tea time. So thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other videos. See you next time. Bye.